Hey everybody, how are you doing? This is Kieran Guy Hogg with Reviews, Hacks, and Tips. Thank you for stopping by. Today I'm going to be reviewing Ultimate Affiliate Mastery. This is a launch that is going live on July 4th, Eastern Standard Time, New York time. It is being launched by Musam Chatterjee, and we're going to go into a deep dive about what it is, how it can help you. I've got bonuses, lots of great bonuses to go along with this that are going to complement this product and to help you. Also, Musam has some bonuses. We're going to talk about what I like about Ultimate Affiliate Mastery, what I don't like. So stick around, there's lots to go through. So basically, Ultimate Affiliate Mastery is a complete breakdown on how to make any kind of business profitable online. It does a deep dive into many different areas, such as how to pick a niche to get ultimate traffic and attention, and evergreen products, affiliate marketing and the best sources, step-by-step blog creation and how to write engaging content, getting traffic, autoresponders, landing pages, squeeze pages, and social media. So if you're a newbie or you're just thinking about maybe trying affiliate marketing, this is, I think, a really good introduction into lots of different ways that you can make money online. And like I said, there are some things that I don't think they go into enough detail about, but my bonuses are going to help you with that. So guys, let me take you to my bonus page here. So this bonus page comes down at 11 a.m. on Wednesday, July 7th. So 3 days after the launch. So you still got time to pick up my bonuses. All right. So Ultimate Affiliate Mastery Extreme Traffic Secrets lets you create fully automated sales system and finally become one of the 1% that actually makes it. So what is Ultimate Affiliate Mastery all about? So Ultimate Affiliate Mastery will show you everything you need to know about how to draw traffic, convert them to leads, and to gain the loyalty of visitors. This course is so simple that it takes no time to get started and you can start seeing results immediately. So like I said, if you're a newbie or you're just thinking about maybe trying this market, this is a great guide introduction course for you. So before we get too much into this, let me show you some of my bonuses and how they're going to help you if you purchase this product. Okay, so my first product that I'm offering is the most effective buyers list. So they do talk about squeeze pages in here and landing pages, but this is going to show you how to do a step-by-step squeeze page and a landing page and other ways that you can get emails from potential customers, because as an affiliate marketer, that's really one of the most essential things that you're trying to do, is to get people's emails. So then you can promote your product in the future. You can start to get a branding reputation, a name in this industry. And the best way to do that is with emails. So this shows you a step-by-step guide on how to do that, okay? And it makes it very easy to follow as well. Okay. My second bonus, guys, is the $10,000 blogging case study. So Ultimate Affiliate Mastery goes into quite a deep dive on blogging. It tells you how to find the perfect niche and how to set up your blogging account and what to write about, how long it should be, and who it should cater to. But this shows you actually proof on people that have done this. So it's going to show you how to be able to copy this, and you can make $10,000 doing your blogging case as well. So I found the Ultimate Affiliate Mastery didn't really show enough examples in my opinion, so this is going to be a great example for you to learn along with their product. Next one, guys, write eye-catching headline tips. So if you're going to be doing a lot of blog writing, you need to be able to get the reader's eyes. This is going to show you how you can do that, a few simple hacks, a few simple ways to make just an ordinary headline turn into something that really kind of gets people interested. Okay, so without interest, you're just going to kind of get skimmed over. So this is going to show you how to really kind of stand out in people's minds and also get traffic and hopefully sales. Okay, my fourth and final bonus goes into TikTok marketing. So this bonus Ultimate Affiliate Mastery goes into a lot of social media. They talk about Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram. They don't talk about TikTok. Now, TikTok is one of these growing social media giants. It's now becoming a giant. It's catching up to these other ones. So this gives you a full guide on everything you need to know about marketing on TikTok. And I think this is really going to help you in that niche because it's still kind of untapped. There's a lot of people that really don't even know what TikTok is. So this is going to show you really how you can make a lot of traffic, get your name out there, your reputation, your information, and everything that you will need to get your branding higher and your sales higher as well. So let's learn a little bit more about Ultimate Affiliate Mastery. So in this course, you'll learn how to make money quickly and easily, even if you're a beginner, the easiest way to build a profitable affiliate website, how to build an insanely targeted list of hungry buyers, the right way to build affiliate pages for maximum results, the insider secrets to traffic campaigns quickly, how to get people to buy from you instead of other affiliates, that's important, fast methods of generating traffic for free, the #1 method of standing out in the market, using bonus items to maximize sales and beat out competition, importance of choosing the right products and exactly how to do it, bulletproof strategies of automated commissions, and more. So why do you need this course? If any of this sounds like you, Ultimate Affiliate Mastery is exactly what you'll need. You want to make money quickly and easily. You don't have a lot of time to invest. You want to build a long-term business. All right, you guys. So let me show you also the bonuses that they are offering if you decide to buy Ultimate Affiliate Mastery. So bonus #1 is niche for a lifetime profit. So this is valued at $47. This is done for you swipe files, eliminates all the work and makes it easy for you to start making money in the most in-demand products online. Bonus #2 is a training video valued at $197. Bonus #3 is the hottest product ever. Bonus #4 is Affiliate Builder. We've created a quick start affiliate website builder guide just for you. Bonus #5 is a 7-day money formula. Bonus #6 is the mind map. So you're going to get all of these bonuses along with my great bonuses if this is a product that you think can help you. Okay, let's get back. Now, like I said, if you click on any of these links, it's going to take you to my bonus page here. So you can see, you can access my bonuses, any of them right here. Now the vendor bonuses are going to be provided by the vendor's link, okay, just so you know. But all of mine, they're going to look like this. It'll take you to my bonus page and you click it once and you've got my bonuses. Okay, so let's go into the front end and the upsells. So here we go. So the front end is $17. We have a one-time offer of $67. That is the done-for-you templates plus PLR rights. We have the mega bundle pack at $197, and we have the license rights. If you want to sell this to other people, you can brand this as your own, and you can have all the profits. You'll have all the PLR rights, and you can make all 100% commissions if you want to sell this for yourself. After you've obviously gained all the material, you've learned how to use it, you can sell it as well. So the front end, ebook and training, $17. So the book and the training, how to make money quickly and easily, even if you're a beginner, the easiest way to build a profitable website. I'll let you look at all these things, like similar to what we talked about up above. They've also got training videos as well. So if you don't want to read, they've got the videos for you, and it takes you step by step also along the way. Okay, the one-time offer is a done-for-you templates plus the PLR rights at $67. So marketing strategies, 10 one-time offer templates, abstract image collection, list building profit kit, graphics empire, e-cover monsters, evergreen infographic packs, internet guru training camp, Jessica Pro Genesis framework WordPress theme, Kickstart Genesis framework WordPress theme, mini site templates, different ones, and much more. The one over-the-counter one-time offer bonus number 2 is the bundle collections of books and softwares. Guys, I just want to apologize if you're hearing a lot of tinging right now in the background as I'm doing this. I'm up on my roof and it's really hot. That is the metal outside expanding and making that noise. I apologize for that annoying sound. It's just a hot day out there right now. So one-time offer is AdSense, 100K blueprint, build huge list, buying traffic, copyright, ClickBank, Facebook marketing unleashed, loads and loads of different things that you guys can look at. And I said the one-time offer number 3 is the license right at $67. The resale rights for the whole funnel. So you can sell all of the stuff, all the upsells and everything, and you can make 100% of the profits. Now, as I said, what I didn't like, I didn't think that this product goes into enough detail about exactly examples on how you're supposed to write good content if you're doing web blogging, and also just where to get started with blogging. So that's why my products, my bonuses, are going to help guide you along with what they have as well. So with both of them, you're going to get a really good education. Also, I thought they didn't spend any time on new social media platforms that are really going ballistic, which is why I included my TikTok mastery guide. And that's going to really help you kind of tap into a resource where even if you're a newbie, that is still kind of the Wild West. It's still open frontier where you can really get your name and your product out there. Okay, guys? So again, here's just a summary of the things that you'll be getting. So you'll be getting the detailed guides, the step-by-step instructions with screenshots to ensure you replicate everything exactly. Hordes of traffic. This first special edition of Ultimate Affiliate Mastery includes the most extreme traffic training we have ever shown, and is fully automated. Once completed, your affiliate mastery system will run almost 100% on autopilot, generating sales and profits while you sleep. So again, affiliate marketing, that is something that you're looking to do. You want to be able to set it and then let it do the work while you can relax, you can sleep, you can have another side project. That is what the goal is. Of course, it's got a 30-day money-back guarantee as well. So this is going to show you how you can get it set on autopilot, okay? And like I say, I think the front end is definitely worth getting, especially with my bonuses. It's going to complement it. And perhaps the one-time offer at the 67, you'll get the PLR rights and you'll get all this information in here. Now, if you decided that you really, really like this product and you want to be a part of that team, you can sell it. You can get the one-time offer here for the license rights, and then you can sell it and make 100% commissions on every sale that you make. So once again, you guys, these are my bonuses here. We've got the most effective buyers list method to help you get more emails for your product, for your brand, your business. We have the case study, the $10,000 blog case study. So this is going to show you that, first of all, it is doable. So a lot of people say, well, how am I going to do that? $10,000? This is proof that it can work. Just follow these steps and you can get there as well. Of course, how to write compelling headlines. So you want to grab the reader's eyes. And of course, the Ultimate TikTok Marketing Guide. This is cover to cover, fully detailed. Even if you've never even been on TikTok, it's going to show you how to create an account, how to even look at videos, and then how to create mesmerizing, eye-catching videos, marketing, ads, and everything you need to know about it. Again, just click on these links here and it'll take you to my bonus page. And again, the vendor bonuses will be in the vendor's link when you decide to purchase. Okay, that's going to wrap it up for my review on Ultimate Affiliate Mastery. Again, my name is Kieran Hogg, and if you did enjoy this, I would love it if you used my affiliate link. Just click on my bonus link here and it'll take you over. And I want to thank you again for your time. I hope you got some value from this. Please like, subscribe, and comment. This is Kieran Hogg with Reviews, Hacks, and Tips. Signing off. Thank you very much for listening. Talk to you soon. Cheers.